How to remove and clean the ceiling exhaust fan. Pull the cover and squeeze the clips and pull down. The bthroom blower wheel that rotates in the middle should be washed. I will show you how to remove and clean it. Loosen the screw first. Make sure the breaker is off before disconnecting the wire. First, remove the dust with a brush. Remove the blower wheel cover. Loosen the nuts in the center to pull out the blower wheel. Soak in soapy water to soften all the dirt stuck to the blower wheels. Next, clean the housing parts of the exhaust fan motor. Remove dust before wiping with a slightly damp soapy foam. Avoid getting the exhaust fan motor wet. Spray the soaked blower wheels with water and wipe off the remaining dirt. Dry before reattaching. Just follow the steps on how to reattach the bthroom blower wheels and the cover. Tighten the nut well. And screw the cover of the blowing wheels again. Connect the power line first before reattaching the exhaust fan into the ceiling. and again squeeze the 2 clips and insert to the opposite hole, and release. And the exhaust fan can be used again. And if you have any question, just comment. And once again, this is Kuya Ray saying thank you very much for always supporting my channel.